Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the latest Ethernet specifications and simplifying network protocols for all you IT students out there. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about network basics. You've got your LANs, which are local area networks, and UANs, which are wide area networks. Think of LANs as your home or office network and WANs as the internet. Now let's break down Ethernet. Collision domains are the segments where data collisions can happen if devices send data simultaneously. Each switch port is a separate collision domain, meaning one less thing to worry about. Broadcast domains, on the other hand, are segments where a broadcast packet is received by all devices. Routers usually define the boundaries of these domains. Next, let's talk about CSMA-CD. That's Carrier Sense Multiple Access with Collision Detection. This protocol listens to the network before sending data to avoid those nasty collisions. It's used in half-duplex Ethernet environments. Speaking of half and full duplex, half-duplex allows data transmission in one direction at a time, while full duplex lets data flow in both directions simultaneously. Pretty neat, huh? Ethernet can be split into two types of signaling, broadband and baseband. Broadband uses multiple frequency bands for multiple signals, whereas baseband uses a single frequency band for one signal at a time. When it comes to bit rates versus baud rates, bit rate is the number of bits transmitted per second, and baud rate is the number of signal changes per second. That's essential for understanding data transmission speeds. Ever heard of wavelength? It's the distance over which a wave's shape repeats, and it's crucial in fiber optic communication. At the data link layer, Ethernet uses MAC addresses for unique identification of network interfaces. Ethernet frames contain headers and trailers for addressing and error checking. Moving to the physical layer, think about cables, connectors, and network interface cards. That's where the literal connections happen. Have you heard of Ethernet over other standards like IEEE 1905.1? You can run Ethernet over power lines, HDMI cables, and even use wavelength division multiplexing for fiber optics. For wiring standards, there's T568A and T568B. T568A starts with the green pair, while T568B starts with the orange pair. Straight-through cables use the same standard on both ends, while crossover cables mix T568A and T568B. When setting up a network, you'll deal with MDF and IDF. MDF is the main distribution frame, the central hub, and IDFs are the secondary points spread out across a building. Understanding these concepts gives you a solid foundation in Ethernet networking. If you have more questions or need deeper insights, drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Catch you in the next one. Peace!